Alright guys, so I really couldn't find you a perfect solution for this because there really isn't one. The only thing that I could think of doing is laying this part of the chassis, as you can see here, so that this part here is on here, and then the wire is not being pulled so that solder won't come out and it won't create too much tension. So long as you lay it on there like that, it should be fine. Now that I've opened it up, you guys can really see where all the things go. And you see that the motherboard here, this was connected onto the light box. And this was also connected onto the light box. And this was the fan for the light box that you saw me working with in the other video. I didn't mess with the actual fan that cools down everything from underneath. But in this video, you guys can actually see how all the different parts are connected up. And this was for the end stop that I removed earlier. So yeah, as you can see in here, this is for the power. These are the power cables here. So there isn't a whole lot of complicated stuff in here for you guys to work with, but I'm not sure what this and this is for, and maybe it is another one of the end stops, I don't know. But whatever it does, they put it in a very awkward place. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this helps you guys if you guys need to remove your LCD screens and motherboards and whatnot. This should make it a lot easier for you to be able to understand how to tear it down without breaking the machine. So yeah, keeping an eye on this thing is really, really important, as you saw, because once you break it, I don't think you're going to be able to put it back together. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.